Yo guys, oh my god. New channel starting from scratch. Don't worry, there's still some videos on there because I will delete them. But now my name is Roblox Master 5, as you could probably see for the people that already subscribed to me. So, yeah. Gonna play a little bit of Roblox today. Probably a little bit of Jailbreak. And also comment down below if you want to stop doing obby different stuff on Roblox. So I want to at least, for my first video, I'd at least get 2 thumbs up. I mean, yeah, starting from scratch, you don't really want that many in this video. So I'll get back to you when it's loaded up, guys. See you in a minute. Right, guys, it's just loaded up. I think I'm gonna be a prisoner. So just gotta push red to look ball properly, and we should be good to go. Just have a little walk around, and I'll see you when it's all loaded up properly. See you in a minute, guys. Right, guys, it's all loaded up. Just gonna type on that I'm recording. I'm super slow at typing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, look. No, forget that. So, sorry about the lag. It always lags on this all the time. Right. So, oh my god, the lagging of this game is super annoying. So the aim of this game is actually to escape. But for me, it's easy. So I can escape just like this. Sorry about all the lag, it always does it, guys, on every single game on Roblox. I'm surprised Roblox is even free. So once you've escaped, you turn into a criminal once you're actually away from the prison, and then it'll say you're a criminal, run, hide, escape, see, look, clear, and don't get caught. And you can, on this, you can rob banks, jewelry stores, trains. So if you're gonna rob a bank, what the hell? Oh no, no, guys, we just thought. Then banks, trains, jewelry stores, loads of stuff, guys. Right, I might not be good at this game. This is all glitched. That's just pure glitched. God. So what you gotta do in this game, guys, is just escape stuff, and you can get money, which you can't actually see in the camera at the minute. I am recording with screencast-o-matic. I really want to know. Oh dear, that's a bad idea. God, guys. God, so intense. Actually, guys, I'm gonna swap to a cop for the last 10 minutes. Yeah, guys, I know what you're thinking. I will do some vlogs soon, and maybe show you some, songs and stuff on YouTube. Because I'm a crazy Liverpool fan. So my goal is to actually get to 75 subscribers by August. Let's see if we can do it. Guys, some people. Right. Right, I know it's laggy, it's always laggy in this game. Because it is the biggest game on Roblox. So it just always lags. Oh god. No, you need to move! Oh my god, you idiot. Now I'll do vlogs here and there. I'll probably upload like a little introduction, then upload this. So I'll be vlogging. I'll probably do 2 videos today. And also, I know my name is Roblox Master, guys, but just don't take the mick, because I won't always be doing Roblox videos. Sometimes it might be Fortnite, vlogs, and this, and other games. What? Alright, someone just robbed the jewelry store. There's the jewelry store here. Let's go up here. Ugh! Keeps lagging. Oh my! You know what? Bank's probably easier. Screw the jewelry store because you can actually rob more at the bank. What the hell? That was a criminal, but I've got an emergency to get to. To get my gun out already. Oh dear me. God, guys. An absolute fail. Oh yeah, do go and add me on Roblox as well if you do have it. It is Louis Keats 123 all together, no capitals. And yeah, guys. Also, I might be doing. I know my name's Roblox Master, and I know my Roblox. I know. Oh, I hate this game when it lags. I know my name is Roblox Master 5, but I will be doing other videos as well. So don't be like, oh, where's your Roblox videos? It's not just gonna be Roblox. Now I'm gonna open these 2 crates, guys, and then I'll end the video there. Orange. Uncommon crate. Already have police, so I get 500. And I think I might just go ahead and buy one of these. Oh, and if you are on Roblox, well, if you have Messenger, be sure to add me. Okay? Add me on Messenger or comment down below your name on Messenger, and I will message you when I am playing Roblox.